Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today on Inside with Anne, we'll be making Accra beans. So Accra beans is a common roadside snack in Cameroon, which is very delicious. So guys, I was lucky to have the broken black-eyed peas. I got this from an African shop, so I was lucky. The good thing about these beans is that it's easier to wash and it takes less time. So without taking much of your time, let's get straight into the cooking. You can see some of the peelings coming off already. It's really easy to wash this. But if you don't have this, you can use the ones which are full. The difference is that one takes longer to wash, but you usually don't get this one at all times. So after repeated washing, our beans is finally clean. See, it's clean. So I'm just going to soak this for 30 minutes in warm water to make it softer for blending. So guys, if you don't have this, if you cannot find this kind of beans which is broken and easy to wash, and you only have the full ones, just leave a message in the comment box below if you want a video on how to wash the full beans. Just leave a comment on the comment section and I'll be able to make a video on that. So now we'll just wait for 30 minutes for this to soften for blending. So it's time to whisk the beans so it can double in size and it create air bubbles and make it very fluffy. So there are two methods. You can use the electric whisk, or you can use the manual one, which takes more time than the electric one. This could take like 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes whisking, but this take approximately 5 minutes.
Yes, yes. Now say go do am. But the first 3 days, like I said, the first 3 days only at the last time. Look, the last time is it 6:30? We get to take the queen now. Not only time I get to take out the first 3 days because the first 3 days now gonna make her maybe act me system be active with the thing. You understand? Yeah, but if you start follow us, that's son of so the first first day, really work. We work well while you take now one for first day. Second day take one, third day take one, then about fourth day now I start follow as this one.